You know, IAPP is a really growing professional organization. And the reason you should care is you should want to learn about the profession, get information about how it's moving forward, and you do that through networking, listening to panels, and also participating back by being part of the segments and bringing your own value to IAPP.
What we hope our organization will do for its members is give them the tools that they need to do their jobs better.
When I started in this field about 5 years ago, there was just nothing really there weren't any job postings relating to privacy. IAPP was just starting to become a big deal. And I was one of the early joiners of IAPP. And I think it's really helped my career in the sense that the CIPP examination, the certification really does make you stand out.
The community around IAPP is, I think, tremendously important. Most people who do privacy, whatever that means, whether they're a privacy professional or simply somebody who's responsible for privacy issues, the people that do privacy tend to be, I think, very social people.
I would say the key reasons for especially a new privacy professional to be involved with IAPP is not only to learn what they can directly from IAPP, from the webinars and the materials and the conferences and the certification itself, but also to learn from other peers. Sometimes it takes a peer organization to really get the real scoop. And it's great to connect with people facing the same challenges that you face.
No matter what, there's always something changing, and you cannot possibly know everything that's happening, everything that's going to happen and coming up down the pike, whatever. So this IAPP consortium, to have all this knowledge bank, this mind trust of folks who do this also for a living, but they specialize in areas that you can't possibly nail down.